Ever wondered what your photo would look like dancing? Pic Dance is an AI app that turns still photos into short animated clips where you or your pet start dancing, hugging, or even kissing. All you do is upload a face photo, choose a dance template, and hit generate. Here's the catch. It takes a long time to generate. Some of my clips took over 10 minutes, and honestly, the results were hit or miss. Sometimes it was funny, sometimes it was just weird or glitchy. PicDance currently holds a 4.1 star rating on the Google Play Store, which might seem solid at first glance. But if you dig into the reviews, a different story starts to emerge. A lot of users are frustrated by the aggressive paywall. You only get 2 free tries. Then, it's $5.99 per week. Some people say they deleted the app after just a few minutes because they couldn't generate anything without paying. My personal rating? 2.5 out of 5 stars. It's amusing, but the glitches, wait time, and paywall kill the fun pretty fast. Before wrapping up, I also checked out the reviews on Google Play. And yeah, I'm not the only one with mixed feelings. The app has a 4.1 star rating, but most of the recent comments say the same thing. It looks fun at first, but you barely get to try anything before hitting a $5.99 per week paywall. Some people said they deleted the app within minutes. There are way too many ads, and even after subscribing, they still pop up. A few users enjoyed the animations, but most felt the experience was disappointing and not worth the price. So yeah, I'd say it's fun for a one-time laugh, but definitely not something I'd use long-term. Have you tried Pic Dance? Drop your experience in the comments. And if you want more honest app reviews like this, don't forget to follow and hit the like button.